This is how we can rotate a video on an iPhone. So we open up the gallery and we can find any video we have available on our device. For example, this one, right? We get inside like this, and in order to rotate it, what I have to do is to click on the edit button, which is at the bottom like this. So you can see this is the edit button. And then now we want to go to the cropping tool because we obviously can cut the video and so on, but we can click on a crop like this. And then now this button in the top right, the rectangle with the arrow accompanied with this flip icon are going to be very helpful to us because we can rotate it like this, and then now the video has turned from horizontal one into a vertical one, right? So that's how you can rotate it, and you can also make it go more, and like this you can make it go full circle. Of course, we cannot really go the other way around. We can only go counterclockwise within the rotating, but that's why we also have the flipping icon, right? Because you can see we can go like this and then now flip it like a mirror, right? So as you can see, we have plenty of ways to rotate and figure out the proper way and the correct one for our video. So as you can see, very nicely we can rotate it as much as we want. Just don't forget to hit it done, and it's going to be essentially it. Save it as a new video or replace the existing one. But that's essentially it. Definitely subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.